So today we're gonna learn two letters of Khmer consonant together. The first letter, the first alphabet is Ko. As you can see, Ko. Ko. Ko is mean neck. Neck. Ko in Khmer language. And as you see where we kind of show you how to write it. Like here is Khmer number. The first one, choose you need to start it from the bottom up and then move and go down again. So 1, 2, 3. And then the hair that we call hair in Khmer, the thing about the consonant itself. That's how we do it. That number 4 and number 5 we start from here. Yeah, that's the hair. So Ko, Khmer alphabet, the first consonant, the first alphabet. Ko, Ko. Ko is also mean neck. And like the first photo you see, the image you see, we call it ka, ka, ka. It's like a cup. So want to say it full, so we call it ka tuk, ka tuk. When we ask somebody for ka tuk, they know that you are for cup. Ka tuk, but and normally ka tuk it is made from plastic, so we call it ka tuk. And the middle one, the image middle one, well, I had no idea what it is. We pass it. And the thing you see like a wheel, like, yeah, it's called gong. Gong. Gong is also mean bicycle, but gong here is like it come from this ox cart, you see? So we call it gong ro te. Gong ro te. Gong ro te. Gong ro te. Okay, so this is the first alphabet. Let's move on to the second alphabet of our Khmer language. So this one, we call it call, 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 call. See the Khmer number, the number 1. We start from here and go down and up. 1, 2, 3. Just see the narrow sign. Follow that. That's how we write it. Call, call. And the image is, the first one is cow. Cow. We wanted to make it specific. We call it cow clay. So it means short pan. Cow clay, short pan. And the moon in Khmer, we call it kai. And the full word for kai, we call it lok kai. Lok kai. Lok kai. Or another word, prak kai. Normally, like everyday speak, people call it just lokai, 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 lokai. And the last one, it make the last one is khua kabal. Khua kabal. Khua kabal. It means brand. Khua kabal. Khua kabal. So that's it. So I think that's it for today. So just two consonants you need to remember and you need to know how to write it.